Hey everyone, Raz here. Today we're playing some No More Rainbows. So I'm thinking for today's video, I'm going to try to complete at least 3 levels, and then we're going to play some multiplayer. Let's get in the video. Alrighty, I'm going to try to complete 3 levels of the final level. Final level. Squishy. There's a menu thing. Let's try to complete level 2 of World 4. Whoa, look at this. Oh wait, no, level 2's over here. I guess those ones close them. Oh, there's one over there. Guess we have to continue. Oh, jumping. Frustrating moments. This is one of them. guys. Oh, no, I'm not gonna make it in time. No! How am I gonna do this? That's one level complete. Alright. I'm at 34. I need to kill one more. I think I found my one. Hey, buddy, how's it going? Huh? Oh, look at that, huh? Little marshmallow. It all start the same. So weird. Is this? Am I at level 3 or is this level 2? Hang on. Something about this ain't adding up, but why on earth do they both start? That was level 2. Okay. Go down here. Oh, I could have killed you. Wow. This is gonna be an issue. Oh my god. Alrighty, how am I gonna kill that thing? Alright. The jump! One way to do things. defense does this page have? Alright. God. Wait. Berries anywhere? Nope. Dog, did you not? Which way is level 4? That's 2 levels beaten. This will be the last level to beat. You know, for this video. And if this is the one before the boss, I'll probably do the boss next actual video after the Bluegrass 200 event. Excuse me, peeps. Excuse me, guys. Would any of you guys like some coconut water? I love burgers. You know, in the gaming case. Over here. Ah, this is fine. Yo, subs. Okay, so next vid I will beat level 5 and the final boss. Okay. Whoa. Jump. Oh wait, forgot one. I guess you can't dodge him. Oh well. Nice. Jump. Am I able to destroy these things? platform is my favorite. Got it. So, got it. Am I able to take that thing out? Let me find out. No, you can't take that thing out. Let's wait for the first batch of them. And jump. I barely even touched them. Oh boy. Dude, I could just jump. Oh! That is 3 levels down. Alright, y'all. Now it's time for some good old multiplayer. Let's go! So I'm like right at the... Ow! Hasn't happened in years. Multiplayer. Fine. Do it your way. Shortcut. Really? There's just no such thing as shortcuts in this game. Huh? Let's do some multiplayer. There we are. Do some multiplayer, y'all. I'm gonna have a fun time. Let's do this.
What? That was no fair, bro. Weapon. Oh shit, he got one. He got one. He got a weapon.
Whoa! Looks
Come
like
here.
fake.
It's time for me to get married. Oh fuck!
Huh.
He got it! He got it! He got it!
Oh, what's the matter?
I love this Iceman.
What's the matter? You ain't tough crap now, huh?
Nothing! Nothing!
Nah, man, this will die. No! What did I say?
Bang! Bang! I need weapons, Tom. I need weapons so badly. Yes! Fuck, I'm so stupid. I'm losing! Bro! This is getting boring, bro. I'm killing everyone. Yeah, this is getting boring.
Sir,
Ahem.
Headbath, you said everything's getting boring, yeah, old chap?
I killed you, old chat.
Holy old chap.
Damn it! Come here. Oh, I got you!
No, I got killed. Sword.
Come here. Come here. Oh, wait, he's invincible.
Yeah, this ain't looking good. Oh, what the?
I'll kill him before you got the sword. I'll kill him. I'll kill him before you got the sword.
Both of us will die, you idiot. Both of us will die. What did I say?
I still have more. I still have more, man. What the frick?
Yeah,
is
but
that?
everyone, after the guy in first place.
I killed him. Finally.
Okay, look, everyone, we have to keep killing him because clearly no one's gonna win. That's the case.
Clearly, I'm a tryhard.
Hey,
Oh, come here, come here. Bruh.
no, I was the final
Hey,
kill.
look, come after him. You got killed. You got killed, little bro. GG. Guys, GG.
Let me in.
GG, guys.
GG.
Bro, he said go after me, man. What did I do, man? Hey, come here.
You were in first
Get me!
and we knew none of us would win if we didn't target you.
Yay! But I won. I got second place.
Yeah, I got third, but you know, I was talking about
Oh!
that first.
Yo,
time.
do you have this? Yo. Actually, never mind.
Hold on, no,
Make sure I don't
let me
Okay, well that's bold.
Hold on, let me hit it.
No, stop, guys. Let me hit it.
Wait. Do I have the Luffy hat on?
Let's go. No. Oh, yeah, you do.
Okay. Hold on. My turn. My turn. Let me try this one.
Aw, man.
Oh, what the hell?
Hang on, let me do this.
Oh. Yes, wait, how are you guys on this stage?
Easy.
Hammer?
Shoulder
and
the
best.
Whoever's in this lobby, somehow your parents are not that strict. Mine are not that strict, but at least they
Hey, ready?
Grab
Ready
the
for time? So I can start.
I already killed mine, so I don't.
Actually, I kind of want chicken. Guys, not gonna lie.
Oh, chicken catch. Yeah, we should, yeah, guys, we should do chicken.
Yeah. No, dude, chicken catch. Hurry.
It was last
Yo, I got beer. Yes. Hey,
No,
bear.
bro.
There's me. It's not Sailor Bear.
Wait, you're the other.
Sailor Bear. Sailor Bear. Yeah. I changed my skin. No.
I messed up.
I got it. I got it.
Look at this.
Fuck! I failed. Get it.
Got it.
I missed it. They got it.
Get it! Blue team!
Got it.
No, you don't.
Got it.
Red, winning!
Got it. No. Got it.
Huh?
Fuck, they're ringing. Fuck.
My time to shine.
You need to cook. Hey, okay, you got that one? Chicken.
No! We're getting win.
Get. I got him.
No, guys, red team's winning. Why on earth are they spawning near Red's area?
guys are unlucky. We're just lucky.
Wait, get it!
Let's first.
Where's it? Where's the chicken? No!
It's over there. Muckers.
Where's the chicken?
Oh, muckers. Macarena. Macarena. Got it.
Alright, guys, I tried.
Guys, don't even try to beat Red. Red's gonna win, no matter what. Shut up. How many pieces they have?
Bro, shut up, bro.
No
No,
one's every match.
bro, literally no one asked.
For real. Come on. Oh, you know. No. Bro, oh my freaking god. Where is it? Got it. No! No! I'm not! Teammates! Red team got it. Come on, teammates.
We lost.
We were so.
This map.
You ready, guys?
Oh, you have to cook. Oh my goodness, you have to cook. Come on.
Has to be my favorite.
Go, go. Come on. No!
Fudge! Dude! How on earth are you guys faster than us?
Oh shoot!
Yes! Yes! We got the chicken. We're in the lead. Don't lose it, guys. You guys know the freaking...
Teammate, what are you doing? Teammate, climb up! Oh, the chicken one, No! Teammate, how did you say that? I got it. I don't know. I just got it.
I got that one.
Hey, get it! I missed.
Oh, right behind! Dude, it was behind you!
I got it.
Stop, it was behind you!
I missed 2 times. Hey, get away. Bro, teammates! Where's my teammates?
Dog, I'm trying, okay?
Come on, my teammates are selling. My teammates are selling. Come on, chicken!
No, we aren't!
Come on, Bear! How am I not hitting it?
I'm sorry!
Red team, good job.
Red team is the best. You're welcome, chicken. What the heck? Get away. Ah, what the hell? Okay. Oh, stop. The hammer. I got it!
Guys, we need to go. Guys, lock in! Guys, lock in, guys.
Bear,
Lock in.
behind you! Bear, over there! Bear, get it!
No!
Blood!
We gotta Red, we gotta lock the heck in.
I got it!
Dude, we are 1 point behind! We are 1 point behind! Grab it!
Remy! No! 2 points behind! What? Hey, we have 1 more point behind!
Dude, how?
No! I got it! Oh, I see it! Got it!
Get it! Stop taking it!
No! I gotta get the hammer!
Yes!
I got it! Yes! Where is it? Over here! Whoa. No. Teammate!
I found it!
Get it! Hurry! No! Yo!
Get it! Go!
No! Fuck! I missed!
No!
Where is it? I got it. I messed up.
No, you don't know! Yes! If only I had a berry!
Here, cook.
I'm trying to, dude.
Bro, why am I walking so slow, bro?
Yeah, how are we?
Let me cook.
How on earth are we so slow?
I don't know.
Dude, there isn't like a slow-mo thing, is there?
I don't think so. Burn.
That's it.
Teammate, bear.
No.
I got it.
Where's the? No. Bear. Yes, bear. Got it, bear. I got it, bear.
That's it. That's it. Red, you got this. Hurry.
Where is it? Dude, it's right under you. It's right under you.
Under. No. Who got it? You or me?
I got it.
I don't know, but we have to split it.
Hey, get it.
Where is it?
Behind you. Yes, bear.
Yes! Yes, sir!
You're a cooker, bear. We're cookers, bear. Move. I can't move because I'm in a short space.
Don't get cocky yet! It's the final match!
Go. No. Yo, we will not make it.
Got you.
Yes! We got it!
Got you. I see it. Yeah, we got it, Red. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, get it again.
Oh!
Got it again.
He's cooking! Unicorn here is cooking!
What do you mean? We already got all of them.
Unicorn
We
is
got
cooking so
one.
much! Bro is the chef! That's crazy! Bro!
Gotcha.
Of course they got 2 in a row!
Yo.
Yes, bear. Yes.
We got 5 in a row.
Yeah!
Over here.
We got 6 now in a row. Because we have the best player in our team. That's the Garden Lion.
Oh, thanks!
Not really, but okay.
No.
No! Sorry!
You suck. Yo. Piggy.
Well, of course you guys have the freaking berries!
Let me get it.
Here, go!
Is it? Hey, man, they didn't know that Garden No. Oh, we got it.
Red team got bear.
No. We're bear.
Oh,
Come on.
yes!
Got it.
No, I got it!
No, you didn't.
Buddy, yes I did. I felt the vibration on my controller.
Yeah, never mind.
Bear.
Unicorn, you have a head start. Go!
I got it.
Oh, Barry.
Yes!
I got it. Let's go.
I'm alive. I got it. Is it 2? Is it the same as me 2? How do I say
Oh,
it?
got it.
Yes.
I'm trying my best. There's 2 bears.
Hey, Piggy.
Yes, bear, above you. Oh, never mind.
No.
Piggy.
No,
Bear.
no,
Get
no. Why is the chicken going on?
Get it. Yes. Bro, what is this game?
Got it.
I get it. Got you. No, I could have got.
How many points we at?
Got you.
Bear.
White. Bro.
Never mind, bear.
Yeah, get him. Get it.
Get Unicorn.
Get it.
Come on. Yes.
We won.
High fives. We're cookers, bro. Their team. How much you have? 4 and 3. Okay.
We were 1 point away from losing.
At least I get
I'm
first
the king.
cheers. At least I get first place in the cheers. At least.
Bro, the Garden Lion was cheering his team. Nah, watch
Yeah,
out,
so
bro.
I
Watch out,
deserve to
bro.
be up here too. I'm sweating a lot right now.
Hi everyone. That's gonna be all for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a nice time. Let's dunk it.
Hold on.
Oh, snap!
Yeah. Not bad, I guess.